Your pipeline lives in Salesforce. Your customers talk on WhatsApp. Right now, nothing connects the two. The Eazybe Salesforce integration brings your CRM right into WhatsApp, so your conversations sync straight to Salesforce and you never have to copy a chat across again. Let's walk through it. In the Eazybe WhatsApp extension, click the Integrations button, then hit Connect below the Salesforce integration. You'll be taken over to your Salesforce login, where you pick the account you want to link. Click Accept to grant the permissions. That's what lets Eazybe view and sync your WhatsApp chats, so do accept them all or you'll end up with limited functionality. Then, back in WhatsApp, the Salesforce icon in your right sidebar tells you it worked, and if you're the admin, you get the whole picture. Click the Organization button in the right sidebar to open your workspace in a new tab. Sign in with your admin credentials, then click Dashboard. You can see last activity, last chat synced, and CRM integration status across the team, with an Analytics tab for the deeper numbers. Want to try it first? You get a 4-day free trial of the full integration, and rate the service and you'll earn 4 more for 8 days in total. Connect your Salesforce today.